Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Who is this dot dot person? Don't you have a name? Huh? Tell me, where's your name? Why there's a dot? Okay, then कल से हम admit नहीं करेंगे. All right? What topic I gave you last? बताइए. Which topic I gave you?
Ma'am, it was Farm Bill 2020.
Farmers Bill?
Ma'am, the bill which was passed in July, I think. Means जिस पे अभी protest चल रहा है.
Hmm. हाँ हाँ. Farmers Bill was there, no? Okay, so everyone is ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yogendra said no.
Why?
I think he was not in last
हाँ, Yogendra, what questions you have?
year. Ma'am, about your name.
हाँ? Yogendra?
Ma'am, good morning.
Morning. What questions you have?
मैम शिवानी बिसेन, अनामिका सिंह और मैम अनामिका फेडरिक और शिवांगी सिंह। मैम 3 नाम है।
हाँ.
आपका नाम क्या है?
क्या?
आपका नाम क्या है?
I am Shivangi Bisain and I am Shivangi Singh. Okay?
अच्छा, दोनों।
Okay?
अच्छा, ठीक ठीक है।
Hmm. Anamika ma'am is the computers ma'am. Okay? Any other questions? Okay, so start with the farmer's bill. Who's going to speak first? Does anybody know who is this dot dot person? Kushagra?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Don't know?
No, ma'am.
So who is going to start on farmers bill? बताइए.
मैम रैंडम आप किसी को बोल दीजिए जो लोग भी हैं क्लास में.
Okay. सार्थक गुप्ता. सार्थक गुप्ता.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, start.
Topic.
Hmm?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak. हेलो हाय करने का टाइम नहीं है. कम ऑन स्पीक.
Ma'am, I have not prepared yet.
हाँ, I knew that. I knew. आप लास्ट क्लास में थे?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am.
see, I don't want any excuses and this nonsense kind of excuses. Okay, I was not well.
Yes.
I have a problem. I didn't attend the class. I didn't knew what's happening. All this nonsense. I don't want. You people are not in first standard. Okay, you people are in BCA. So behave as BCA students and give excuses on the level matching to BCA. Okay, don't do this all nonsense kind of things. Yeah, I was not well. You're not coming to college also. You people are like resting at home only. So basically,
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, there's no problem on speaking 2-3 lines. That have that much pain at least. Because in ECC you don't get marks like that. Students fail by half marks, you know. I have seen half marks. Not I'm not saying 1 marks. I'm saying half marks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So be ready for that. आप लोग को तो ये कहना ही नहीं चाहिए कि I don't know. There's nothing as such that you shouldn't know. Don't know. Kushagra, you start speaking.
Okay, ma'am. So, the topic which is given is Farm Bill 2020.
Kushagra, wait. What was the last topic which we discussed on Tuesday?
Ma'am, last up, ma'am, it was, I think, on Tuesday. Nepotism, yes, ma'am, nepotism. Ma'am, we were
Nepotism.
discussing about nepotism. Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
And ma'am, it was GD, not debate.
Sarthak, what is nepotism?
Nepotism.
Are you aware of?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए.
Ma'am, actors who give their children chances in Bollywood, and
What is nepotism? You're telling the example. Tell me what is nepotism.
ma'am,
बताइए।
मैम
इवन
वो बॉलीवुड के जो
कि आप लोग
बड़े
लिखिएगा।
स्टार्स
हाँ
रहते
हाँ
हैं मैम।
हाँ, एक लाइन में व्हाट इज
मैम
नेपोटिज्म?
बॉलीवुड के स्टार्स के जो वो चिल्ड्रंस रहते हैं उनको ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है देन अदर पीपल।
You're telling me the example of nepotism. You're not telling me ki what is nepotism. बताइए। What is your aim, Sarthak? Ambition?
मैम मैम सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग।
Software engineering. Okay.
यस मैम।
So like this, you'll become software engineer.
नो
Huh?
मैम।
Interest नहीं आता है? Interest पता करने में कि
मैम आता है लेकिन मैं बोलने में फिर मैम दिक्कत हो जाती है।
क्यों दिक्कत क्यों हो जाती है? क्लास में आप लोग को दिक्कत है, सामने दिक्कत है, फोन पे भी दिक्कत है, तो फिर ये फिर इतना बड़ा बड़ा सपना देख के सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर और बोलने में ही दिक्कत है, तो फिर क्या मतलब है ऐसा एम्बिशन देखने का? जब बोल ही नहीं पाएंगे, जब इंजीनियर्स कांट टॉक ओनली, then what's the use of becoming an engineer or something other than engineer? Am I correct?
यस मैम।
Then how many of you think that you people can't speak because of the school barrier, the board problem, UP board, ISC, ICSC board? This is the problem. If you people are not able to speak, how many of you think ki the school is the problem? Tell me. Nobody thinks now.
No, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I think it is not because of the board, but because of the environment in which they study. That is why they can't speak properly or have hesitation in speaking.
Okay, so who creates the environment basically?
It
Ma'am,
is
we
the
create
student,
environment.
It is
the
you people
teacher
only
and
who
the
create
student.
the environment,
Yes, ma'am.
correct? है ना? So, say, since how long we are, taking classes? It's been 2 weeks now, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And some of them still they are mute only till date. So how much should I encourage you people to speak up? Till date, you people are, ill, not aware of the facts, having cough, cold, everything. If you are not going to help yourselves, nobody is going to help you people. And if at this stage, at this point of life, if you're not going to speak, then forget your whole life. If you're not going to speak on this platform, you're never going to learn anything now. This is the learning stage. You have reached a threshold. And if this is the point where you have to uplift yourself or you have to degrade yourself, it's your call. Whether you have to hesitate or you have to be in your cocoon, not going to come out of your cocoons, that's your call. If you're not going to learn here, then forget about speaking English outside. एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू स्पीक. गलत ही तो बोलेंगे ना, एक दो वर्ड हिंदी के बोल देंगे या एक वर्ड इंग्लिश का ही बोल देना बीच में, बाकी पूरे लाइंस हिंदी के बोल देना. और ज्यादा क्या होगा इससे? और भी कुछ होगा नहीं ना. आई डोंट से कि यू शुड स्पीक, मतलब एक भी गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. यू शुडंट मेक मिस्टेक्स, each and every line should be in English. I don't say all this. At least speak in English, correct? Give a try. At least try to speak 1-2 lines in English. Then whatever word you don't understand, find out that word, or work on yourselves. Okay, start, Kushag.
The Farm Bill 2020 was passed in July 26, on July 26, and in it there were 3 acts basically. The first act was the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill, and then second one was the Essential Commodities Act, and it was not a new bill; it was an amendment. And then third one was also amendment, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection, also called contract farming. And what Modi ji has said that means I will take up his first of all, I'm against the motion. And yes, Modi ji said that there will be no need to sell. Farmers do not need to sell their products at one place. They can sell anywhere in the country. He said that one nation, one market, and this will give the freedom of choice to the farmers and the traders, and there will be no middleman. I'm not quite agree. I do not quite agree with this thing, because first of all, farmers after independence, when Jamindari system abolished, and the land was divided in very small fragments to the local people, like they who used to own earlier before Jamindari system. And what happened that there so means exploitation of the farmers abolished, and but the income was not increased, so still they are poor, and they barely can afford the studies of their kids. They barely can afford the clothes. How will they pay for the transportation? Like if I am a farmer, I am farming in UP, and how will I pay for the transportation if I want to sell in another state? Because in UP it will there will be no scarcity of food. It will be in other states, so I will have to pay the transportation. How will I pay the transportation cost? That's it. First point.
Okay, all right. Okay, anybody else?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Kushagra gave in detail the information of the first bill.
Hmm.
I would like to let everyone know about the second and third bill that was passed. The second bill was Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill. That means that farmers, which is also known as contract farming, farmers will be able to sell their products or goods to the corporations or the big companies directly. So before growing the crops, they can have assurance of price that if I am growing wheat, when it will be grown, I will sell it or like at rupees 22 or 23, like that we'll sell that. So it is going to give farmers a assurance that if there is scarcity of the crop, that is whether it will be, if it is grown in surplus, then only then too they will get rupees 22 only. And if it is in scarcity, also it will they will get it at rupees 22. Yes. So now the the farmers are assured that even if there is scarcity or there is a very less amount of the product produced, they will get their assured price. But yes, after that there is also a drawback that if there is the food in surplus amount, then they'll get क्या कह सकते हैं, घाटा कह सकते हैं उनको हो जाएगा, क्योंकि तब तो स्कार्सिटी में हुआ तो घाटा, एंड नहीं, अगर स्कार्सिटी में हुआ, so they will, the price will go high, then also they will get in 22. So that will be a drawback, that they will not get the required amount that they should have get earlier. So this is the drawback of the second bill. And yes, in the first bill, like Kushagra said, that the farmer can sell their goods anywhere. So earlier, the farmers who used to produce their goods, they would go to a particular place which is known as Agriculture Produce Market Committee, APMC, or also known as mandis. So they will take their goods there. The mandis will, they will, you can say, they will decide what the price of the particular item will be, and in that price the involvement of the farmers are not there. The sahukars, you can say, or the rich farmers, they decide they decide the price, and the farmers, they simply go, they are told that yes, the price of rice is this, and the wheat is this, bajra is this, and you have to pay this much, and you will get this much. So the farmers were unaware of the fact that yes, they can decide their own price. So if, and this APMC mandis were earlier also, and government says that APMC will continue to work after this Farm Bill 2020, but it is upon the decision of the farmer whether they have to sell it in APMC or directly to any other place. But since farmers are not knowing anything about APMC, then how are they going to? I am agreeing with Kushag that if they don't know anything about APMC, how are they going to sell it to the other place, or pay the transportation bill? Though the government said that they don't have to pay for the transportation bill, but how is it possible? The government cannot go to each and every poor farmer and say no, you don't have to pay. They will eventually pay. So it is impossible, or you can say a hurdle or problem for the farmers. That's all.
Okay.
Now, I would like to add on some examples
Yeah.
to clarify the second. Means in the long run, what will happen of the contract farming? Okay, it seems fine when we think of 1 year or 2 year, like contract farming will pass. Okay, it's fine. And like Ashirvad Atta came to some group of farmers, said, I will give this amount of money, like be it 2200 for a ton per ton, and before the before season, and after harvesting, it was sold on 2200 per ton. But if after this season and in another season, the क्रॉप वाज इन मींस क्रॉप थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई और जो प्राइस है वो डाउन हो गया, तो उसके बाद में किसानों को फायदा होगा। बट अगर प्राइस ऊपर चला गया लेकिन जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का अमाउंट था वो उतना ही था, तो उसमें उनको घाटा हुआ। और दिस विल हैपन ओनली फॉर 4 to 5 years. After that, company will think of its own profit and it will lower the prices. We can have example of means we all use e-commerce and we all know Amazon. Means everybody here, all 15 to 16 people, 16 people know about Amazon. I'm using it from I have been using it from 4 to 5 years. And what earlier Amazon used to do, that it means we all know that Amazon started from selling books. So when it came to India, it said that there will be no delivery cost on books. So whether you order of a 90 rupee book or a 900 rupee book, there will be no cost. And it was only for 2 years. And after that, what happened that you order anything, if it is under 500 rupees, you will have to pay 30 to 60 rupees as per your location. And recently 3 years ago, Prime membership was launched, and there were in 1,000 rupees for a year, there was no delivery charge. And now what happens that even if you are a Prime member of Amazon, still you will have to pay delivery charge if it's above, if it is below 500. So what I basically want to say that 7 years before they were giving us free delivery. Now they made us their Prime member. They take extra sum of money from us apart from what goods we are ordering from them, and still they are taking delivery charges. So government can't say there that earlier you used to do this, now you are doing this. It's it's not it's legal that. So farmers are a kind of, means they are not literate. I uh, support the point of Mahima, that they are not that much aware, they are not that literate. If anything if there is any forgery in contract, or the contract, the companies will have CAs and advocates with them. They will write the contracts that may be biased to the corporate only, not to the farmers. So who will go to court to sue from the side of farmers? This question arises, and yes, that's it. I'm done.
Ma'am, Kushagra said, as he said, who will tell farmers, or who is going to go from this farmer side to the court. So there is uh, I think, a committee known as National Agriculture Market, which helps in the empowerment of the farmers. But still, the problem is that around 60% of the farmers, they don't know about this committee, or there is something like ENAM, which will empower them, help them in doing anything, like how you should grow crop, what are the drawbacks, what bills are coming, what are the pacts the government is signing, is it in the welfare of the farmer or against it. So they don't know anything about it. So even if there is a committee which will help in the empowerment of government, because due to the lack of awareness, still the farmers would be able to uh, have make any profit from these committees.
Apart from these things, these are the means another aspects of these bill. What is the major, and what are, for what the farmers are on a strike, is MSP. And we all know that minimum support price. and 60 means MSP is only successful in Haryana and Punjab only, and
Punjab,
in some
yes.
parts of Western UP.
Hmm.
In means 60 per means these are only two states, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar. All of these states are involved, majorly involved in farming, and only Haryana and Punjab are farmers of Haryana and Punjab are known of are know about MSP. They don't other the farmers of other states know nothing about it,
Hmm.
and so it's only, and that's the reason why only farmers of Haryana and Punjab are on protest.
Hmm.
Government did not assured anything of MSP, and in a long run it will be also kicked out from the market, and yes, farmers will again exploited by the
No,
private
no,
companies.
no. Government gave the clarification that the procurement of
They gave
MSP will
clarification
continue.
yesterday evening.
Yes.
But still farmers are on strike,
Hmm.
and if all the three bills are not rolled back, it will kick out MSP from the practice, because MSP is only means it minimum support price will be only practice means whatever जो भी मतलब MSP जहाँ पे लागू होगी वो सिर्फ APMC मंडीज में ही होगी, APMC मंडीज के बाहर नहीं होगी। अगर गवर्नमेंट इस चीज का एश्योरेंस देती है कि पूरे इंडिया में MSP से नीचे पे ट्रेड नहीं होगा तो फिर ठीक है, बट अगर नहीं देगी तो, क्योंकि उसने तो ये तो बोला ही नहीं कि हाँ पूरे इंडिया में ऐसा होगा, बस ये होगा कि हाँ MSP कंटिन्यू रहेगा, कंटिन्यू तो रहेगा, बट अगर हम Jio BSNL का एग्जांपल लें, so like still there are some regions where none of the carrier service like Vodafone or VI, Airtel, they don't reach out, and Jio also don't reach out, but they have BSNL have coverage over there. So but they don't have plans, they have nothing. The only services provided by three elephants in the net means in network industry or telecom industry. So what happened that I think in 2016 Jio emerged, means Reliance was ended up, and Jio came. So what happened to 1.5 years, that they provided almost means zero cost data and unlimited calls. That was fine. After 2